We're going to be unboxing this Ranein Inline RV water filter. Protect the filter from freezing. Do not run antifreeze through the filter. Store capped in refrigerator. Prior to first use, flush filter for 1 minute to remove carbon fines. And replace filter every 3 months or every 1,500 gallons. Filter life depends on water quality, and replace if water flow decreases significantly. Micron rating of 5, temperature range of 41 through 100 degrees Fahrenheit, or 5 degrees through 38 degrees Celsius, and working pressure is 20 to 100 psi. It will protect against aluminum, bad taste, cadmium, chlorine, fungus, heavy metals, hydrogen sulfide, iron, lead, mercury, mold, odor, turbidity, the cloudiness, and sediment. Even though it has a micron rating of 5, it will remove particles greater than 20 microns. Then you'll attach the hose protector and attach it to the top of the filter, making sure that the flow goes in that direction. And even though it is labeled as an RV water filter, you can attach it to a water hose